back to my channel. Today's video, I'm very excited because we are doing bikinis as outfits. I'm using bikini tops for outfits. I've seen so many girls just like using them for tops, and I was like, I've done this before. Would people like a video on it? I hope so, because I'm doing it. So I show you guys 5 different outfits today, 5 or 6 different outfits today. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I had so much fun filming them. I also film these on my phone because I always find my inspiration through Instagram and Pinterest, and I just feel like I'm always seeing it at like a phone angle or a mirror photo. So that's the point of view that I usually get my inspiration from. So I hope you guys don't mind. If you don't like that, let me know in the comments, but if you do, I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. This first little bikini top outfit, hey, I just went with like a typical triangle bikini top. This is a tie-dye one. It is from Shein. My jeans are from Good American, and then I just have my Air Forces on. Oh yeah. This is just something super simple, super easy. You can throw on a jacket if you want. I feel like I would wear this. You guys, I live in the desert, so stuff like this, I feel like I can wear this around Vegas and it's fine. Throw a jacket on with this one for sure if like you're gonna go to a restaurant or be like in public like buildings. But I feel like if you're out in nature or doing whatever you want, this is such a cute outfit. I love it. And then I just wear my gold jewelry with everything. It's my everyday jewelry. This is just easy and cute. I love this. This makes you want to run around town with the girls and go have fun. Yeah. All right, you guys, this is number 2. This one just makes me feel like I need to be on vacation, right? And I'm walking out of my vacation home. Oh my God, stop. I'm walking out of my vacation home and I'm on my way to go grab a quick coffee before doing like a beach walk. You know what I mean? So I have this Lyss and Alicia top, and it's shaped more like a bra. So you feel not lifted, but you feel secure, you know? And then I just have this little, what is this called? I just have this little button up from H&M. It's just super light and airy. I really only like this for like summertime, just for something to hang because it is so light. So I love this. Just some cute little biker shorts. And then I paired it with some little white sneakers. Something easy, simple, cute. All I need is just my little coffee, and I'm like, oh my God, look how beautiful it is outside, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that neighbor's dog. It's so cute, an island dog. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to be on vacation. This is just like, stop. Do you get my vibe? That's my energy for this. Cute, simple, easy. Oh my God, who, me? What are you talking about? Me? This third outfit, you guys, I have worn an outfit similar to this, but this top is actually a bikini top. Look, can you see the material? It looks just like any other kind of bra style sports bra top that girls wear these days, but this is actually from a bikini, so that's really nice. So if you just need a little sporty top, just go with a sporty swimsuit top. So I just have that on. This is from Fashion Nova. I paired it with these little joggers. I can't remember where these are from. I want to say these are just from Zaful. I'm pretty sure. Then I paired it again with those same white sneakers. These are just from Shein. Honestly, this just looks like a top. It doesn't even look like you're wearing like a swimsuit or a bikini top at all. It just looks like a regular top. This is cute. I've worn this outfit before, not with this exact top, but I actually have a little tank top thing like this that is the exact same style, just the fabric's different. But there you go. And if you're sweaty and you're wearing a bikini top, you're good. It's not gonna soak into your cotton top. You know exactly what I'm talking about. This one is probably my favorite. I love a little denim on denim. And then of course, the bikini top right here is from Shein. I love the neon green. I just think it's so cute. You can leave your jacket normal, just like, hey. But the way this one lays is kind of big, so I'm gonna, super cute. So this is a thrifted denim jacket. These shorts are from, I wanna say Princess Polly, but the brand is called Rock and Rev. And then I went with the white sneakers again. I just feel like white sneakers with all these looks so far has been really cute. Gee, oh my gosh, stop. It's so cute, it's so summery. I feel like this one's probably the most wearable for most people as well, because everybody has pretty much everything that I'm wearing right now. I assume anyway. Also, you guys, I have to be honest, I don't like these denim shorts, the way they fit. Like what, I don't know what this is. So if you can let me know of your favorite places to get denim shorts, please tell me, because I don't have a pair that I like the way they fit. So let me know because I need something. Thanks, love you. Did you like this video? I hope you did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other style videos you would like to see from me in the future. I had so much fun with this one today, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it is so hot in my place right now. It's 80 degrees because I had to turn the AC off. As always, subscribe to become a part of our internet family. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with my day-to-day life. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. Mwah. Bye guys.